Hey, what's up everybody, here Ivan. Gonna do this quick video on streaming movies, streaming TV, so you can save money. You don't have to pay for Netflix, Hulu, cable TV, satellite TV, direct TV, or Dish Network, whatever you have in your country. So you can save some money on this holidays on movies. You don't have to rent them like on Redbox right here in the States. Redbox, like, it's a small bank that you can rent movies, and the recent ones that came out at a theater on Blu-ray. But this service is for free online. It's called Tacker.tv. He has the Frozen, the second one, second part, on Camp. It's on theater still. Ford versus Ferrari. It's on the theater. It looks dark, but if you want to watch it on camera on theater, if you like that. I don't even like seeing those kind of movies on right here because they look too dark in the background. So usually I see this ones like it HD ones like this one. It just came out out of the theater. It's on, I think it's on Redbox right here in the States. This one just came out, I think, too. Once Upon a Time in Hollywood, from Brad Pitt and Leonardo DiCaprio. But yeah, I saw this one. It's awesome. I saw this one, Hustlers. It's awesome too. Let me show you how the quality that they have. I have more services like this that I use for CPA, county locker, whatever you guys want to call it. They look more HD quality than ones in the theater, but this is cool. If you want to test, you want to see this kind of movies, you can register to save all your favorite movies and watch it later, like Netflix. So this is the one from Will Smith, the new one. And just pause it. Right here, you should go with this one. If it's not working, this one, the fast one, is not working, I'll go click right here on the second one, and it downloads more faster the movie. Let me just pause it. It has some of them have subtitles right here, but it looks awesome, not bad at all. This is what I'm doing on CPA, county locking, just downloading these movies and different strategy. Now, I might do a video on that next weekend. But yeah, they look good. This movie's not bad at all for coming out of the theaters, just for free. So yeah, this one, they have shows too, like the Kardashians. A lot of people want to see the Kardashians. Yeah, they have a lot right here. TV shows. If you're into the most latest one, that's Keeping Up with the Kardashians, the last season or 17th season or something, Keeping Up. They had when this girl had beef with Jordan, something, the sister's best friend, BFA or something, Kardashian. How do you spell Kardashian? I don't even know how to spell Kardashian. But yeah, a lot of people want to see this episode from the Kardashians, like this one. They look good. They have the last season, I think. Usually it's kind of hard to stream this kind of reality shows. A lot of people like this. That's what I've been seeing. So they have a lot of seasons right here. The 17. Yeah, when they have beef with that girl, the black girl. The drama, like always. They're always trending this on girls, Kardashians. So that's why I do a lot of CPA counting, locking with these episodes. But yeah, this video is gonna be so you can save money. You don't have to pay for Netflix. Like, how much? It's like $10, I think. Yeah, $9 a month. I had this Netflix like in 2008 when I was working my 9 to 5 job. I had it for 3 or 4 years until 2012, and they emailed me, hey, usually I was paying like $7 a month, and then they told me, hey, you're gonna raise you the price to $10. It's like, oh, like why, why, well, how come? Or they're adding more stuff and that. Okay. Do you want a new service or you don't want it? You wanna? They were charging me $7 and they wanted to charge me $10, and I say, hell no, I'm not gonna cancel my membership. They should have lowered me the price, but no, I say no, I cancel on Netflix. So yeah, I went to right here. The site is called PerRateShop.net is right here. So there's a lot of streaming like this person. I don't know if they're from Europe, like this one. They won't get in trouble. Like if you're from the States, you're doing this, you will get in trouble. But yeah, they have everything right here, like Hulu. You want Hulu? Hulu is awesome. I like the live streaming. It's kind of cool. I had Hulu before, $6, but it all depends on the package that you're getting. The live, I like the live one, live on TV or something like that. But yeah, it's like right here, Hulu accounts. They have like different. If you want HBO, different package, like right here, limited commercial. You gotta pay right here big ones. So I don't think you cannot pay with other payment method. So yeah, I will go with this one, the live TV or HBO. I don't know, everybody's different. I will go with this one, without commercials. But yeah, it's been a long time since I had a Hulu TV and Netflix. I have Netflix. Usually I have it for free because I have I have T-Mobile as a cell phone provider, mobile phone. So they give it to me for free since I'm paying their service on the cell phone. T-Mobile is called right here in the States. And what else? Yeah, right here I had Netflix. I had Netflix with them, and let me show you how it works and everything right here. I liked it because they're out of stock right now. But usually, like a couple years ago, I paid like $10 for 3 months on this site, PerRateShop.net. .net. I paid like $10. Usually they don't have it right now; they're out of stock. But I paid for $10 for 3 months, but it lasts me like 2 years. 2 years Netflix for free. 2 years. This is a guarantee it's gonna work for 1 month. $3. But if it works 6 months, they won't charge you for this account. Or maybe they changed it already. Before I used to have it like that. I had it like I paid $10 for 3 months, but it lasted me like 2 years. I'm not gonna lie, 2 years. So that's freaking awesome. But I don't know about now. You want to try this service? Cool. I'm just showing you I'm just giving you some free tips so you can save money on this holidays on streaming TV or movies. So yeah, on this one, like right now, there's a lot of streaming TV or streaming movie services like this one. They have to pay like $50. I wasn't buying this, but I like it. It's awesome. It has a lot of live TV channels like DirecTV and everything, but it froze a lot. I don't know. I'm from California, and it froze a lot. All the channels they have it on live. But when I was trying to see a channel or a movie, they have everything right here, like 7,000 channels in movies. They have everything, HBO, everything, like QSC, the pay-per-view ones too. But it froze a lot. So it froze a lot. That's why I decided not to have the service. I was paying like $50, and I was promoting. I was having for free, but I don't know. I decided not to promote it no more, and because I knew a lot of people were gonna start complaining, so I used this one. There's more online. There's more. I tested like 3, and all of them buffering froze, pause in every channel. Let's say you're watching this channel, and then it froze, it paused, and then you gotta wait for a couple of seconds, and then it shows again. Like, the streaming was super freaking slow. So that's why I decided not to move forward with this. This is good if you like recruiting, promoting online. It works. If what I heard, it works right here in California. It didn't work for me, even though I've upgraded to my highest internet speed. The speed, like I was paying 150, and they told me this new media told me, hey, upgrade it to the highest speed and it will work, but it didn't work. I upgraded to the 200 a month service internet. It didn't work. So, and they tell you to buy like an adapter or something, so it will go straight to the computer or something like that, so it will go more fast. I did everything, it didn't work. Even though I've upgraded to my highest internet speed, and didn't work, so I decided not to move forward with this. I was usually I was promoting classified ads, and it was working, but I stopped because I knew a lot of people were going to complain and this and that, so I stopped for the buffering or pausing channels. Movies too, the same. I was watching a movie and then it froze for 10 seconds, and then you will resume and then pause again for a couple of seconds. Like, it's annoying. So yeah, usually this is what I use for CPA content locking and new movies. On YouTube, get them for free. Just gotta complete a survey. If you don't understand what I'm saying on CPA content locking, watch this video right here on my YouTube channel. So you'll understand what I'm saying. I'm giving free stuff online, and you'll get a $3 for free online, just promoting it. It's this one. Did it a month ago. It's how to get free money. I'm giving away free stuff online with CPA content locking. People just gotta complete surveys and you will get paid. Or watch this video on my Facebook. On my Facebook wall, I did like, I don't know, like a month ago. So no, it's not this one. I was in Facebook jail for a month. I couldn't post on my wall. So right now I just found out that they already I'm not on Facebook jail. So where is it? Oh, this one on the 19th, October 19th. Just click right here, and it will give you more details on how CPA content locking works and everything. Yeah, next week I might do a video. If you want, just comment yes, or comment Craigslist or YouTube. If you want me to show you a video on how to do it on Craigslist, on CPA content locking, or YouTube, free traffic. On Craigslist, the same, free traffic, and I will do it for you. But at least I want 100 likes and comments. I don't know, a couple comments, I don't mind, but yeah, at least 100 comments or likes, 100 likes and comments if you want. Cool. Alright, peace. Thanks for watching this quick video. See ya. Peace.